Hello friends, in this video I'm going to show you how to make Word Speak a document. So to enable Speak feature on MS Word document, just you need to click on File, then click on Options. In here click on Quick Access Toolbar. Choose command from, so click on this drop down and select all commands. Now find out Speak command from this list. This one. So you need to find out this command speak. Click on this speak command. So select it and click on add. Now click on OK. So now friends, you will see one new feature, speak selected text. So firstly select text, then click on this play icon.
How to make Word speak a document. 1. Open the document you want to listen to in Microsoft Word. To open a document, press Ctrl or double-click it.
So that's it friends. By this quick and very simple easy method we can enable this Microsoft Speak feature. Hopefully friends you like this video. Thanks for watching this video. Please comment this video useful for you or not.